5 reasons why your legs are getting weaker after 60. The legs are one of the most important parts of our body because they allow us to walk, run, jump, and carry out daily activities. However, many seniors experience a decline in leg strength as they age. This can be due to a variety of factors, including muscle loss, decreased physical activity, and hormonal changes. In this video, we will explore 5 reasons why your legs may be getting weaker after 60 and what you can do about it. So, stay tuned for more information. Number 1. Loss of muscle mass and strength. As people age, they generally experience a loss of muscle mass and strength known as sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is a natural process that begins around the age of 30 when the body starts producing less protein. As a result, muscles begin to break down faster than they can be repaired. By the time a person reaches 60, they can lose up to 40% of their muscle mass, leading to weaker legs. This loss of muscle mass can make everyday activities such as climbing stairs or getting up from a chair more challenging. It can also increase the risk of falls and fractures, particularly in women. To combat this, it's important to engage in regular strength training exercises specifically targeting the legs. Exercises like squats, lunges, and calf raises can help maintain and even build muscle mass and strength in the lower body. Additionally, consuming enough protein and getting enough sleep are essential for muscle repair and growth. Number 2. Decreased physical activity. Another reason why legs become weaker after 60 is a decrease in physical activity. As people age, they may become less active due to a variety of factors, including retirement, health issues, and mobility problems. This can lead to a vicious cycle where weaker legs result in less physical activity, which in turn leads to even weaker legs. For example, if an older person finds it difficult to walk long distances or climb stairs, they may opt to avoid these activities altogether. Over time, this can cause the leg muscles to deteriorate further. To prevent this, it's important to stay active and incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Even light physical activity such as walking for 30 minutes most days of the week can help maintain leg strength and prevent further decline. It's also important to find activities that you enjoy and that fit into your lifestyle so that you're more likely to stick with them. Consider joining a gym, taking fitness classes, or simply going for walks in the park. The key is to stay motivated and find ways to make physical activity a part of your daily routine. Number 3. Hormonal changes. Hormonal changes can play a significant role in the loss of muscle mass and strength that occurs with aging. After 60, the body produces less testosterone, growth hormone, and estrogen, all of which are essential for maintaining muscle mass and strength. For instance, testosterone plays a crucial role in the development and maintenance of muscle mass. As testosterone levels decline with age, it can lead to a decrease in muscle mass and strength. Similarly, growth hormone is responsible for tissue repair and growth, including muscle tissue. A decrease in growth hormone levels can lead to slower muscle repair and reduced muscle growth. Estrogen, on the other hand, helps regulate fat distribution and muscle mass. A decline in estrogen levels can lead to increased fat mass and decreased muscle mass. These hormonal changes can also affect bone density, making them weaker and more prone to fractures. To counteract these effects, you can consider taking hormone replacement therapy or supplements under the guidance of a healthcare professional. It's important to note that the decision to take hormones should be made in consultation with a doctor, as there may be risks and benefits to consider. Number 4. Poor nutrition. Poor nutrition can have a significant impact on leg strength and overall health as we age. A lack of essential nutrients such as protein, vitamin D, and calcium can contribute to muscle loss and bone weakening. Protein is crucial for maintaining muscle mass and strength. Without enough protein in the diet, the body may break down muscle tissue to use as an energy source, leading to muscle loss over time. Vitamin D is essential for bone health and helps the body absorb calcium. A deficiency in vitamin D can lead to weaker bones and an increased risk of fractures. Calcium is a key component of bones and teeth and is important for muscle function. A lack of calcium in the diet can lead to bone loss and muscle weakness. As we age, it's essential to prioritize a balanced diet that includes plenty of protein, vitamin D, and calcium. This can help maintain muscle mass and strength as well as bone health. Consider incorporating foods such as lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy products, leafy green vegetables, and fortified foods into your daily diet. It's also important to stay hydrated and limit the intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. If you're concerned about your nutrition, consider working with a dietitian who can help you develop a personalized meal plan that meets your needs. 5. Nerve and connective tissue damage. Nerve and connective tissue damage can occur as we age, leading to a decline in leg strength and mobility. One common issue is peripheral artery disease, which causes blockages in the arteries that supply blood to the limbs, including the legs. This can result in reduced blood flow to the muscles, leading to weakness and cramping. Another issue is neuropathy, a condition that damages the nerves that control muscle movement. This can cause numbness, tingling and pain in the legs and feet, as well as muscle weakness and loss of balance. Additionally, the connective tissues that support the muscles and joints can weaken over time, leading to joint pain and instability. This can be caused by a breakdown of the proteins and collagen that hold the tissues together. As these issues progress, they can lead to a loss of independence and an increased risk of falls and fractures. To prevent and manage these conditions, it's important to maintain a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, and avoiding tobacco. In addition, there are treatments available to improve circulation, relieve nerve pain, and strengthen muscles, such as physical therapy, medications, and in some cases surgery. If you experience symptoms such as leg pain, swelling, or cramping, it's important to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. As we age, it's normal to experience some decline in leg strength and mobility. However, there are steps we can take to maintain our leg strength and prevent more significant decline. By understanding the reasons why our legs may be getting weaker and taking action to address them, we can continue to enjoy an active and fulfilling life as we enter our golden years. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, good posture, and attention to our overall health can go a long way in maintaining strong and healthy legs as we age. It's never too early or too late to start taking care of our bodies and investing in our health. By doing so, we can continue to enjoy the benefits of physical activity and maintain our independence and mobility for years to come. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Please share this video with family and friends if you think it will be helpful. And don't forget to subscribe. We wish you great health and well-being.